Hello everyone and welcome to Auzi's Young Learning Emporium. In this video, we're going to be learning about the four domains of the Earth. So let's begin. The four domains of the Earth are the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, the lithosphere, and these all come together to support the biosphere. And when these four domains of the Earth come together, we get the Earth. Now let's look at each of these domains briefly and understand what they are. First up, the atmosphere. This is the air which wraps around the Earth, and it is about 10,000 kilometers thick. For comparison, the radius of the Earth is around 6,000 kilometers, so 10,000 kilometers compared to that is quite a lot. The atmosphere also has a lot of layers. For example, the first layer, which is the troposphere, then the stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and finally the exosphere. Next is the hydrosphere. The hydrosphere is basically all the water on Earth. The surface of the Earth is covered by 71% water and only 29% is land. Of that water, 97% is salt water and only 3% is fresh water. We cannot have salt water. Of that fresh water, 68.7% is locked in solid state, where that is icebergs, glaciers, etc. and 30% is groundwater, while only 1.3% of this fresh water is in rivers, lakes, atmosphere, etc. Next, let's look at the lithosphere. The lithosphere is basically the land which is on the surface of the Earth. It is made up of the crust and the upper mantle. The lithosphere can be divided into the tectonic plates. When these tectonic plates move, it can lead to various natural disasters. When these three domains of the Earth come together, they allow the biosphere to exist. The biosphere includes all areas where life exists, from the deepest parts of the ocean to the upper reaches of the atmosphere, as well as life found in soil and rock layers. It all starts from a single living organism. Well, it does go further back than that, but let's assume an organism is the starting point of this. So, when lots of organisms come together of the same species, they make a population. When multiple populations come together, they form a community. When multiple communities come together and interact with the non-living environment, this is called the ecosystem. And the ecosystem and every single living organism and every single area of Earth which supports life combined make the biosphere. And there you have it, a very basic crash course on the four domains of the Earth. And I said basic because yes, there is so much to these topics and so much that I will be making videos about in the future.